Hello viewers, welcome to Sohag Poli Resort Gazipur. It is the best hotel in town by its service, where customer satisfaction is the main achievement. It offers you 24 hours front desk, room service, free Wi-Fi, 24/7 security, air conditioning, breakfast, gym, swimming pool, etc. Family Villa, Lakefront Cottage. Lakefront Cottage, Poolside Suite, President Villa, Swimming Pool. Sohag Poli Resort Gazipur, courtesied by porjotonbd.com, a website of Porjoton BD Tours and Travels. Contact for reservation 0132121332, 01776467789. Photography Nahid Akhtar, Videography Shathi Bonik, Voice Shathi Bonik, porjotonbd.com. Thanks for watching.